Ever wondered how people created their own Roblox games? It all starts with Roblox Studio. And today I'll show you exactly how to download and install it on your PC or laptop so you can start building, scripting, and sharing your own game with the world. Let's jump in and turn your ideas into reality. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. Make sure you are logged in to your Roblox account. From the top menu, click on Create. On the next page, click Create Experience. Roblox will now check your computer for Roblox Studio. Roblox will now check your computer for Roblox Studio. If it's not installed, it'll give you the option to download Studio. Click on it and save the installer to your computer. Once downloaded, open the Roblox Studio Launcher.exe file. The installation will begin automatically. When it finishes, Roblox Studio will launch and you're ready to start building. So that's how you can download and install Roblox Studio on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.